Hmm?
Where's the hawk? Oh, is he back on his kill?
Mm-hmm. He's pulling them out right now.
What's he doing?
He's pulling the seagull out right now.
He can't even fucking fly with it? Is he eating it yet?
Nope. But they're all freaking out, man.
Yeah, well, crows. Dude, look at that bike. It's like a fucking motorhome. It's all this shit. It's got a trunk.
Right? I just towed freaking its flares. He's as soon as he swooped down, they're all like, wow, freaking
as
out.
soon as he fucking flies, they freak out.
Yep. And he grabbed him, they're like, ah. He's got him now. See?
Dude, the thing's so big, you can't fucking fly with it.
Yep. Well, it's the same size.
Yeah, but
Pretty bird. Oh, you get
Pretty bird.
pretty